Nange ndi wano.
Twagala kusonda kasimu. Banango mwana yachikubye, omwana yachikubye masokrori. Ho, ndilo kusondela kasimu.
Kama baby.
Shifrah.
Wanji.
Nange ndi wano kusika.
Wanji.
Ndi wano kusika.
Ogambye ki?
Nange ndi kusika wano.
Wanji baby.
Tukole WhatsApp group, abagala okusonda essimu, tukole WhatsApp group, tukunganye sente z'essimu.
Ati kati WhatsApp group.
Kubanga bano aba online bajja kutulimba bagambe nti mpaddeyo omutwalo ng'agenze nga tagusindise naye WhatsApp group tuba twemanyi.
Bandirabayo tukole tuti. Indika sente owadike waneno nti otaddeyo. Tuba tumulabira tuba tugenda bagamba nti ono bwati ne bwati ataddeyo bwe tetugenda kwogera na muwendo.
Enamba ereta mannya ki?
Egamba
Esimu
Shifrah.
eno message esoma.
Kusitano manyiwo.
Somebody wants to stop side.
Kusitana.
Kusitana?
Wasawe. Yabadde ogamba otya?
Ojja okunsanga akawungeezi kasawa awo.
Ekawungeezi nga siriwo my love.
Ali kale sawa zino ndikubirawo kawungeezi.
Wanji?
Sawa zino ndi ku mulimu naye nakubirawo kawungeezi awo kasaawi.
Wale is the man.
Manager akola WhatsApp group yenyangu.
Remember kweli WhatsApp. Kweli WhatsApp my love.
Okay, nate nekirala beautiful. Oyina okunoonya ya akatabo n'owandiika abantu abataddeko akasente mu bubi ne mu bulu.
Akatabo bwekali.
Nobeera ng'okamanya. Munange omuntu akubeererawo ye muno mu kabi. Omukabi owaddala n'ogwakukubira akasimu n'agamba mwana
wanene ku laptop.
Nakubira akasimu n'agamba mwana Shifrah mwana njagala kulabako nga yasonda kibeera ize mukola ki okumwanguyira okumiitinga.
Okay.
Nze saawa yonna kenva ku live ojja kalaba ka message kange era ojja kulabako nja kugamba nze mami wa Erona.
Omusomero waneno n'omusobiranga katuuse.
Hello baby girl.
Hello my love.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you baby girl? You have a nice eyes. I love your eyes. It's nice.
Thank you.
Hi Shifrah.
Thank you.
How are you?
Actually,
speak English. We Kenyans, we want to hear you. We want to hear you. Very true. Speak English.
Sorry?
You speak English. We want to hear you. Many Kenyans are online. They are listening to you.
Tomorrow.
not tomorrow. Why tomorrow speak English? Naye tumanyi Luganda katini but many people speak English.
Yes, everyone, many people here. You are dealing with the whole world on your live. Speak English. I'm Kenyan.
Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Yes, and here Kenya, when you go to the bloggers pages, they need you to come here in Kenya in the next 2 weeks or 1 week.
I'll come there.
Yes.
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. Are you fine? There in Uganda. Is it Uganda?
Kenya.
But we are coming here.
Yes, come and perform here in Kenya.
Okay, love.
Shifrah, do you have money to input?
Sorry, baby.
Shifrah mubuze. Ateka musente meka okutwala Kenya.
Ateka musente meka, why? Kenyans have money. They have money. They can take her to Kenya. Why?
So, baby, I have not heard what you have told.
They can take you to Kenya. Don't worry, baby girl.
Mashallah.
What's the deposit?
I will appreciate,
To
baby.
pay deposit to come.
Sorry?
Ngamano. Asokasa suleko deposit okujja.
Don't worry, we can pay it because we love her. She's beautiful.
Must booking to her.
Thank you, love.
I came just here to greet you, Shifrah. I love you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you for reaching, girls. Thank you.
Liba kufanze mbamba.
Shifrah,
Waji.
how are you, baby?
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Naye wazaalibwa awo amaaso nga malungi banange.
Thank you. From Rwanda.
Shifrah olinga amazi.
Hey.
Gwe naawe.
Ono Josephona weda avumo weda no weda nga temuliko. Weda ali wanawe.
Mukiwana kyakoze kye kyamaanyi. Mukiwana yakoze kye kyamaanyi.
But Shifrah.
Kiwanye kyonna mukiyitiriza ensi yonna kifuuse Shifrah. Shifrah alinga amazi kirabe.
Naye nga gw'ofa
Shifrah akoze eki kirabe. Twalira amazi. Mukiwanye wanye kyatudde mu video ya munne waakyo naye mukiyitiriza nakyo kiwaanawaana. Amazi.
Genda olye mukene.
Mukiwanye wanye oyinza okugamba kiminisita kati baminisita babo wane batyo bati kati yayimbye akayimba ye bamuwanye
Buli omu namukisa gwe.
kirabe bwe kifaanana mukijjeewe
Naye nga manager.
Buli omu namukisa gwe naye abantu baba kimukama Katonda.
Abantu abatemusa baleka nga bavuma Shifrah nga tuli wano. Kujja obalumba. Manager, abantu amiro bajjanga ku live mwana. Bajja tumira Shifrah nga tuli wano. Tujja yita musimu.
Abadde abakunyanja gaye.
Naffe tumanyi okuvuma naye lwakuba twewa ekitiibwa.
Amashifrah tuduminge tugende balumbi tugaye bugambi.
Banange buli muntu ku nsi kuno buli muntu abeerako n'omukisa gwe.
Era bwekityo munange wekiri.
Nga Mukama tanaba kukola namu sitampu n'obwokolota tosobola kufuna. Naye Mukama bw'akeera olunaku nti yalukuwadde luba lulwo tewali alukuggyako.
Yes.
Yes, hello. Hello.
Yes, dear. Yeah.
How are you, Shifrah?
Fine, how are you?
Joseph Omulira abadde akumagwaki.
Wanji?
Joseph Omulira abadde akumagwaki.
Ye munange oba kiki ndowooza bantu b'Hoozambe.
This is Mushin TV from Chanja.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
Skypins egambe nkulaba musatya Skypins.
Munange gye mpagira for Don Chris.
Hello, hi. Hey, Don Chris, omuli team Don Chris.
Hello. Yonna muleta phone. Wanji?
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. So, I'm from Kenya.
Okay, habari.
Nzuri sana. So, I would like to advise you a little bit. If you can listen, maybe.
Do you understand English? I would love to advise you a little bit if you understand English. So I would advise you to speak in English because a lot of Kenyans are following you. Yeah, you have gone viral here, and they want to hear from you. And maybe they want you to visit. You can see in the comments a lot of Kenyans are requesting you to speak in English, but you are still speaking Luganda. Kenyans don't understand Luganda. So I'd like to advise you to try and speak in English, kindly.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Justice for Kenyans.
Yeah, justice because they love you too.
Love you. We love you.
Yeah, and we want to know where were you because we have been waiting for you for so long.
I was in the village. Yeah, I was in the village.
Oh, you are in the village. Oh, so what's your challenge? You don't have a phone or what?
Yeah, I don't have a phone. They stole my phone.
Oh, okay. Kenyans are here. Talk to them. They can buy you a phone.
Yeah, nice Shifrah.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Request them. They are here. They are watching you.
We are listening. Hi, Kenyans.
Shifrah.
Yes, baby.
Hello, Shifrah.
Hey. How are you, love?
How you doing, your gumboots? Yeah. I'm doing good. Shifrah wamaze nzekuwa kasawo kalungi na ngatto. Wowe byagala jirange kuduka today mbikuwe.
Shifrah, let me share the live to a lot of Kenyans so they can come support you with gifts. Tell them to gift you. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, tell them to gift you and to like the live so it can go viral. Do you know how to share the live? Okay, let me share on my side to Kenyans. Tell people to like tap the screen.
Shifrah, you get a Hoozambe.
Okay, don't worry. She's learning. She's learning.
Yes, dear.
You get a Hoozambe. What's Skype out? What am I doing?
Mushain TV.
Yes, sir.
Can you speak in English?
For me, I can speak English.
No, it's fine. You can talk in English. Then
So let me tell you a few things. Then you can translate to her.
Bro, we're listening. Go ahead, bro. We're here, bro.
Let me tell you a few things so you can translate.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Go ahead.
Okay, tell her
yeah.
she needs to tell people to gift her.
Go ahead.
Okay, and you guys should keep sharing the live so you could have more guests. And I will share the live on my part too so more Kenyans can join. And then tell people to keep liking the live. The more it's been liked, the more many people find it. Do you understand me?
Yeah, bro. We understand what you're saying, bro.
Okay. Tell her. Let me share.
Shifrah, lozo uri devulungi. Sharing live tapping number abantu advising
Tapping screen.
Live ene berenge getting a advisor from another.
Bro, thank you for the advice, bro. We appreciate you, bro. Much love, bro.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. We should hide her. She doesn't know she's a star.
My brother, I have a question for you. Is it okay?
Yes, ask the question.
So, bro, I was saying, right? I thought you presenting the people from Kenya, bro. Why don't we just get iPhone, bro?
Yeah, we can. She needs to call Kenyans here and explain she doesn't have a phone.
I thought you're representing people from Kenya. So me, you, and let's get a phone. Let's buy a phone. Me and you, we put men together. We buy a phone. What do you think about that?
You have a point.
So
bro.
I was saying. This is what I was suggesting.
Yeah.
Can you understand me?
Yeah, bro, we're listening, bro. You go ahead, bro. We're listening.
Yeah. It's not like really necessary for us to buy the phone while she has been trending in Kenya for the last few weeks. So she has a lot of fans.
I have a question for you. You like her? Are you a fan? Are you a fan of Shifrah?
I do.
Okay, then why not? Just let's get a phone, bro.
So,
I mean, bro, I'm a fan too. I'm a fan too. If you're a fan too, so we can do it, bro. We don't need to wait for no people, bro.
Yeah, we can do it.
See, that's what I want to hear, bro. There you go.
Yeah.
So, bro, so how much you sending? Like, I mean, I'm sending my cut. You send your cut. So, how much we put together? Which phone are we getting, her, bro?
She should choose. Tiger boy. Tiger boy.
Yes, my bro.
Tiger, I want you to understand something. You to understand something, right?
Yes, boss.
The goal is for her to go viral more than this. You understand me?
100%.
So, what we do is this.
Yeah.
Can you understand me?
Bro, we listening, bro.
She's going viral in Kenya, and she can get the sponsorship deals, she can get the endorsement deals. So many corporates are willing to use her if she could market herself nicely. Do you understand me?
Yeah, bro. Point taken, bro.
Yeah, so I would like to advise her to try to get to the Kenyan market, get to know Kenyan fans.
Okay, but you know, bro, you know what they say? Everything has to start like somewhere.
But that's what we're talking about.
So if me,
he doesn't have a phone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like everything started somewhere. Yeah. So me, you, let's get a phone, and then after getting a phone, she's gonna be go more viral, bro. She's gonna be everywhere on the internet.
Yeah.
So what I mean is that if you get a phone, me and you, and then she's gonna be more viral everywhere. She's gonna be talking to everybody, Kenya, Tanzania, everywhere. But
where are you from?
I'm Ugandan.
Yeah. Can you tell her to pin her number on the comment so people could send her money?
But me, it's me, you. We need to give the example, bro.
Yeah, but tell her to pin her number and inbox her number.
But bro, we need to be example, because if me,
how much is a phone in Uganda?
Everybody's gonna put money there.
Yeah, how much is a phone in Uganda?
How much is a phone in Kenya? An iPhone.
It depends.
Well, let's say like if we can get like iPhone 13, 14, that would be like maybe like 4M.
4 million Ugandan Kenyan shillings.
No, 4 million Ugandan shillings, my brother.
Do you know how much is that in Kenya? That's around 200,000 Kenyan shillings.
I don't know how much in Kenya. I'm Ugandan. I mean, I'm just saying like in Uganda, you can get an iPhone like for 4M.
4 million.
Yeah, and it will be a nice phone too.
So what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Can you hear me?
Yeah, bro, we listen.
Yeah, we're here.
It's doable. It's very possible for her to get that phone, but she needs to use. There's something I'm trying to explain and you're not understanding.
What happened? We're listening, bro.
So I'm telling you, it might not be like possible for one person to get her a phone because she has like thousands of fans. Thousands. Tell her to pin the number. She didn't pin the number. It's going up.
Oh. Shifrah.
And tell her to
Shifrah, man, you are Shifrah.
Tiger, tell her to like between the numbers she needs to put full stop so they don't ban her account.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Do you guys have M-Pesa?
M-Pesa. What's that?
How do you receive money from people?
Mobile money.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, you
we call it M-Pesa here.
Here we just use mobile money. We call it mobile money.
Yeah, that's what we call M-Pesa here. It's
money,
mobile money.
PayPal. So what account did you use, bro? What account did you use to send money?
So here we use M-Pesa mostly.
Oh.
Muna Uganda soko mbulire omarwandiko pinning otya.
Auntie, okona so commenting ko then ujikoneko, bro. Soko jiteka mu comments then ujikoneko.
Tell her to pin her number.
Nae woji wandi kwa space nze wata dot marketing what never closing account. What about dots marketing? So bro, Kenyani brother, so I was saying, right? I was saying like you can be example and show everybody else how much we love Shifrah. So you put like some small money there and then everybody like just add on from that. You feel me?
But she didn't put her number. How do we send her if we don't know her number?
She's putting a number right now. The number is coming up. She's just doing it right now.
Stella Powers, you
guys, my guy. So she should pin her number in her account, not in the comments. It's not possible.
By the way,
the number is already in her account. It's already there on her profile. The number is already there.
Okay, tell her to come by.
Yeah, it's on her bio.
My Kenyani brother, you want the number? I can read the number for you right now.
The number is already on her bio.
Just the bio.
Oh, the number is the same number on the bio here.
So Tiger and Andy, are you going to buy your iPhone?
Shifrah, talk to Kenyans. They want to hear from you. Tell her you don't have a phone. Tell them to buy you.
Bro, I was saying, Andrew, bro, I was saying, bro, you, let's put mine together, bro. Let's buy a phone, bro. You keep telling Kenyans.
Taina zagenda tuwa. Obatu watu wena yafuse wakutwega yirira. Nafa abana Uganda akasimu akamiliyoni ebiri katulema.
Yatogeza oluzungu tamanyi.
Oluzungu lw'omu dictionary lwonna luweddeyo. Luweddeyo. Twagadde wano oluzungu ne tukuba embogo ne musekerera. Naye nga tulwanirira beautiful wano.
Amazi kanveeku ngene kusindikira no Kenya aganye tu.
Yakatenga ganna enamba kweri already. Yakateekayo mmeka. Brown soko olindeko tuyambe mu luzungu oyinamuko.
Nenga nange orange
lwaki mwesiga Brown ng'ate namwe musobola okwogera.
Nange nalusikira busikiza oluzungu.
Brown soko olindeko manya oluzungu lwawukanamu. Ne hani? Airtel. Simanyi bamuyita Airtel no waka profile.
Ona aina pink bag.
Mama size Airtel mukwano. Ariel. Obada gamba habbayo. Hanamba habbayo. Oyo ayina mwakazungu.
Era mulabe edduka.
When the sound kali so beautiful, kali so massive, kali so massive.
Nenga Shifrah, I was saying
Erona chonja gaza chikuru.
Oya inamutavako tavako. Ya hana mahabayo. Nice voice.
Wama Shifrah bakuweereze ssente natwogeza oluzungu lwabwerere ataddeko ssente.
Waka pinki beerako waka pinki ne brown esaawa yonna Abamerika beeyuwa wano. Tetwagala tuswaze Uganda ate nga tulina abayinamu waneeno.
Abazungu bajja tambula naffe.
Nenga neffe bwesiga twalusikira busikizi Shifrah. So ino odasi tulina kwegamba mu luzungu
kasa kirinti olinamu akawogo ke bawulirako ke tulwanirira wano e Uganda.
Wangamba nti onyirira.
Broski.
Batuwaka sente n'omukisa gwaze tegwasoose kubuuza Shifrah nti omanyi oluzungu oba tomanyi luzungu gwayingiddeko buyingizi egenda kiriwo
bajja wano tujja mukwogerera tunamwogerera kale bazisindike.
You guys wait. Kenyans are complaining. We want to hear from you.
Shifrah malabayo nga manager wenvirako bwenti wano benvirako no bwenti kwatagane ofune ku sente ngira kusingira ku sente olieko manager bedali waliwo ate ne oba ande oganye tugulira essimu tujja gyegulira bagala kumanya naawe watogeza wozi amalabayo butumala ovaako wano ama kwataganya awo sente Shifrah manager
Uganda
kuwulira yesimu bro nenga yatogeza oluzungu bannaye mumutugambire katwongere oba atuwaayo batatuwa tumuteeko twagende naye bwatu batogeza
musooke mumulindemu ajja kirabika
akyali wano abagamba abeeri babagambye baagala luzungu afuga e Kenya si yafuga e Uganda byonna byanjawulo oba batuwe
bamutani mpozi ande
tetwasomera mu bonna basome ate Kenya bonna basome tali.
Yes my bro.
Yes,
I can hear you.
Bro, I was saying, right?
Yeah.
So, you people in Kenya, yeah? Share the video, share the live to them so they can come up here.
Yeah, I keep sharing, but you guys are just talking in Luganda, so Kenyans are not understanding. They are complaining on the comments.
Oh, yes.
Luganda, bro.
No, this is not the time to have a family meeting. It's Shifrah's account, so she should talk to everyone, not the guys behind. We don't know the guys behind. We only know Shifrah. You understand? She's the star here. Other guys are not the stars. She should talk to people. She should learn to talk to people. Tell them to gift her. Somebody might gift her.
Andy, what they're trying to tell you is he's not very good at English, but she's listening and she can hear you. So you can talk, Kenyans can come here and they ask something, just a little thing, and she can talk to them, but she's not that good at English. So it's not like it's a must that she has to speak English, because she's not good at it.
So,
Luzungu
I was suggesting you should learn a few English words. Tell people to gift you. Somebody might gift a lion. A lion is around $500.
You be the first to
But
gift.
Andy, a gift is a gift. Definitely, if they gift her, she can know that they are gifting me, and she will be like, "Thank you," right?
Yeah, she's not asking for gifts. People won't gift her if she's not asking for them. Do you know how TikTok works?
Yes, sir, bro. We know how TikTok works, bro. We in TikTok, we on TikTok, my bro.
Yeah.
We know how that works.
No. Let Andy teach us how TikTok works, because maybe we're not that familiar with it.
Nah,
Yeah, so you see, right now I'm gifting her. Can you see that?
Yeah, we can see
So
that.
she has like to have a life goal. Does she have a life goal even?
No. But bro, send a line, let me see how it looks.
No.
Broski.
But
Broski, can you send a line? I want to see how that shit looks, bro.
Yes?
Can you send a line? I want to see how that shit looks. I've never seen a lion.
No, I can't.
On TikTok, bro. So I want to see how that thing like come up here. So can you send a gift? Can you send a lion right now so we can see how that shit looks over here?